And I think this study ID and this is session number, I think that might have been for the... Oh, that is the pelvis. Because it's right over here too. So it already has it. So the next thing I want to do to split that off from the rest is in the scan tab right here. There's a button here that says new study numbering. So I'm going to turn that on. And maybe I'll change this to pelvis right here. And then I'm going to register. Now if I go into raw data, there's now 2 Timothy Haverleys. See that? This, now that I've got it split off, I can do anything I want. Okay, so that's how you split the raw data. That's like stage 1. You guys understand that?
And yeah, you got 2 raw data that are 2 studies that will have the same exact raw data in it?
No, actually this one here, this top one contains the brain.
Oh, okay.
This one
contains
the hip.
Okay.
Curious. Anyway. Yeah, let's just forget that for now. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to hit OK. Now, every time you do an info change, the raw data is orphaned from the image data. So I'm not going to see anything here, right? But I need some kind of images just to look at. So I'm going to create some reference images by 7s. Because that's only 45 images, it can be done in a hurry. So I'm going to put 7 by 7, and then I'm just going to hit reconstruct. And that'll give me some images to look at. Then I'm going to close temporarily.
Has everybody lost yet? We hit a gray spot there.
You hit a gray spot?
Yeah, just...
We're trying to write down and keep up with you.
Yeah.
Oh, you can let me know so I can slow down.
And the reason for picking the 7s, I mean, you could have picked anything?
You could have picked anything, but 7s...
So we're in a hurry, so we're going to do 7s.
Yeah, running out of disk space. Hurry up. I deleted a lot of crap off of my phone last night.
That's close.
Lost all his family pictures for this.
Okay, so you want me to back up some, or...
No, get to the boost.
Okay, so now I'm going to go back into raw data.
And after you picked the 7, did you click something to get out of there? Did you
quit or close at the very lower left-hand corner.
Okay. Okay.
Select study. And now look, I have images that I can use, because maybe I just wanted to reconstruct the hip out of here. Right? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to reconstruct the hip out of this thing. So I'm going to go to set ROI. And now I can do the hip. I'll keep it in bone, except I'll turn on boost here. And I'm going to make a volume, because I can do the rest of it in NPR, right? The axial, sagittals, and coronals. And then reconstruct.
How do you set the volume?
I'm sorry? The volume, you just pick, if you pick 0.5, if you pick 2 and under, it will automatically check this volume box for you. And I'm going to do a start and end, because I don't, there's, the hip's not on all of these images. So maybe I'll start here. So I'm going to hit image selector. And that takes this location and puts it right inside here. See that? Now I don't have so many images. I'm going to reconstruct. So the workaround basically is to, number 1, info change to split it off, split the raw data. Number 2, once it's already split, you want to make some reference images so you have something to to work with. Then you're going to quit raw data because it doesn't update on its own. Then go back into raw data, get that same exam, and then you'll be able to do anything on it. Does that make sense?
So this coming up is with the boost on, right?
Uh-huh.
Do what?
Once I'm sorry? When,
You say once the order is split, then what did you say to do after that?
oh yeah, once it's split, once you split it, then you go into
Go into what?
yeah, you want to create some reference images. I'll show you again.
You know, yeah, and when we get done, maybe we'll set Patty or somebody down and just see if they could do it.
Mhm.
Or we'll stand around and coach him, then maybe he can tell us where we're wrong. So we get one of us to do it.
But no, you set everything up where we don't
Someone
need
that's
to
gonna write
use the
down as
boost
they
because
go
you already
along.
set it up, yeah. For all
Right,
of
I set up
us.
the boost. This is
Yeah.
just in case you have a head and face. Let's say you did a head and neck, and you got to do something on the neck, or maybe you coned the neck off too small or something like that. Because the neck was the second one that you chose.
And then the boost is on the neck, but we chose the head, so it's not on the head, yeah.
Yeah. So the only thing you're going to see are the head images, not the neck, because it shows what you first picked. It shows the accession number you first chose. So let's say I'm going to split off. Let's see if there's something else to split off.
So better if we just do them separate, yeah.
Yeah, if you do them separate, you won't have that trouble.
Yeah.
It's only when you use the splitting that it doesn't split the raw data.
But I can see that happening for head and face at night,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe not. I guess you do them
Well, the
separately. Yeah.
C-spine, the bottom part, you might need a bit of fun because of the fact